¿Cómo está?
How
Bienvenido a la
are you?
jugada
Welcome
crítica
to
de
Critical Moves of
Telesur.
Telesur.
Siguen insumisos los
There are
franceses
still
a las
problems with
políticas
the French
neoliberales
people
de
with
Emmanuel
the
Macron.
neoliberal
Más de un año llevan en las
measures
calles
of Macron.
plantados contra la polémica reforma jubilatoria.
They have 1
¿A qué
year
apuesta el gobierno?
protesting over
¿Qué
the
dicen tanto
retirement pension
trabajadores como
plans.
sindicatos y líderes políticos?
What do
¿Hasta qué
both
punto ha
sides
surtido
say?
efecto la movilización de calle y la paralización
To
del
what
transporte
extent
público?
does the protest on the
Desplegamos el tablero,
street have
comienza
any
la jugada.
effect? Let's begin.
Hay esperanzas sobre los
There's
anuncios del
some
miércoles.
hope over the Wednesday announcements.
En el discurso del primer
There is some
Eduardo Philippe.
sensibility
Por esta
on
razón,
behalf of
los
the
impulsores de
president.
la huelga creen que su
That's why the
estrategia de
leaders
máxima
of the
presión está
protest think
funcionando y decidieron mantenerse en las calles
that their
hasta
strategy
mañana.
of
Pero vamos a
maximum
ver qué han dicho
aggression
las
is
autoridades
working. Let's see
francesas
what the
por una
French
parte
authorities
y
say.
reacciones por otra.
El próximo miércoles al mediodía
Next
presentaré
Wednesday
la
at
totalidad
midday, I
del
will
proyecto del
present
gobierno al
all of
económico,
the
el Consejo
economic
Social y Medioambiental,
plan.
la Cámara de Diálogo Social y los organismos
There is going to be
intermediarios.
some
Como resultado, el debate puede
initiatives for
realizarse en el marco de
dialogue,
propuestas
and
claras
this can
que tendrán
happen
en
with
cuenta
clear
muchas de las
measures on both
propuestas hechas
sides.
por las organizaciones sindicales, que
We
garantizarán
have some
justicia y
proposals
solidez,
on
así
behalf of
como
the workers'
solidaridad en el
unions,
sistema de
and
pensiones,
we
la
hope that
variedad
this will
en los
present
regímenes
the
de pensiones
solidarity.
actuales. De los 42 que hay,
And
no se
this is
puede
one of the
continuar.
main
El pueblo francés sabe
pivotal
que algún día tendremos que
principles
renunciar a regímenes
of this.
especiales que ya no se entienden.
El gobierno está muy nervioso
The
y
government
así
is
debería estar,
very
porque
nervous,
creo
and
que había
that's how it should
subestimado
be, because I
completamente
think
la
they
capacidad de
underestimated
rechazo
the
y resistencia
capacity
en el país.
of
Muchos
rejection
estaban
and
sorprendidos por el
protest
nivel
of
y
the
la
people in the
intensidad de la
country.
movilización
Many
el
are
primer día,
surprised
el
with the
5 de
level of the
diciembre. Así que
protests.
ahora tenemos otra
So
cita,
now we
el
have a
día
new
11,
appointment,
se anuncia el
11
contenido
the
del
day
proyecto,
11th,
por
when
lo
there
que
will
nos
be
quedan
the
algunos
reading
días
of the
para ejercer
content
máxima
of the
presión
new measures.
para que
So
renuncie
we
a la
will
idea de los
put more
puntos del plan
pressure
de pensiones.
so
Si
that
quiere discutir
so
las pensiones
any
en
plan
general,
will not have
está
any
bien,
reduction in
pero
the
el
pension
sistema de
plan.
puntos es la línea roja del movimiento en marcha.
Continuaremos hasta que veamos un resultado.
It's fair.
Primero, Macron
We keep
necesita
on
retirar su
protesting
automodificación,
until
pero
we
también
hear some
tiene que recuperar el
results.
impuesto sobre el patrimonio.
There should be
También
some
debe
more
dejar de regalar
taxes
a los
on
ricos. Macron
all
es
of the
terco.
estates that
Continúa
people
haciéndole
have.
creer a la gente que ha entregado unos pocos miles de
What he
millones de
does
dólares,
is
pero que
he
son
makes everybody
migajas, que
think
realmente
that
son un
some
sueño.
we
Y
have
cuando
given some
vemos
millions
cómo
to
va
Haiti,
contra
and this
la
is not
pared
true.
con esta reforma de pensiones totalmente injusta que penalizará una vez más a las mujeres más
This
vulnerables,
this
las pobres,
pension
y
will
todavía
penalize
permitirá que los
the
ultramicos
women
contribuyan
even more.
menos y
And what it
reclamen
will
más
make is
privilegios.
that
Creemos que no
groups will
debe
be
ser
able to contribute less.
Vale la pena recordar
Let's
de qué
recall
va esta reforma, que
what
nuevamente
the
saca los
all of the
políticos a las
content
calles,
of
al
this
menos
reform
hasta
is.
este martes, en vísperas de conocerse el día 11, las claves de la reforma jubilatoria, según anunció el primer ministro Edouard Philippe.
Desde su campaña
Ever since the presidential election,
Emmanuel
Emmanuel
Macron
Macron promised to make a reform on the pension plans. Ever since this plan has been presented that could begin working from 2025, there have been many numerous manifestations. France now has 42 special regimens for pension plans, and it works with points. On every year and every hour, the workers have contributed. The new systems will have radical changes with the disappearance of these 42 regimes, and there will be a single system. And this will give the employee the chance to negotiate with the employer the schedules each one works. There will be a reduction on the retirement plan. And they will be for how will you calculate the pensions for the public workers? There will be 25 all of the last salaries. Right now, the age is 62 in some sectors, and others to 55. With this reform, the roof will be maintained. However, there would be two conditions: to make it longer the time when you contribute, or wait from some time until you're 64, so there is enough money. So whichever the option is, the French will be obligated to work a couple of years more.
Es momento entonces de revisar portales de prensa, por ejemplo, ¿qué dice
Let's see what the websites say. Today on La Parisienne says the strike of December 9th, 631 kilometers of a traffic jam in the Ile-de-France this Monday, a record for this morning. The previous record was 628 kilometers of a traffic jam. That day, there was a blockage of the downtown in Paris. At night, was totally disturbed. 9 of the 16 metro lines were closed, and 11 all worked until 11, regardless of the stop of three lines. Just 1/3 of the buses is working.
De los 25 depósitos del RATP por parte de los huelguistas. Otro medio.
Another website.
Que titula
Let's see what West France says.
Air France annule 25% de ses vols intérieurs.
This strike against the pension plans, therefore France cancels 25% of the national flights this Tuesday. And this is done because of the protests of the strike that has begun this Tuesday. On the other hand, 100% of long-distance flights are insured. And here I will present some. It's a Spectator. France has more days in task in protests, and there's a huge traffic jams. Apparently, there's not going to be any improvement for Tuesday because there are going to be more manifestations. Macron under pressure is one of the subtitles, and it says, under maximum pressure, the president is planning to present the reform on which we only know the great lines. Before that, the High Commissioner Jean-Paul Levoix will meet with the unions in the afternoon to try and to leave this installment. This man has just presented his resign. Another place. Let's see what it says. The long time of the protest is making the owners making nervous. The first day of the protest showed a 20% drop in sales, this represents 27 stores with almost 200,000 workers. I take advantage to read and take advantage on the Chaos. France, why is the general protest? Why is it that we're going to be the deciding one? By the reforms based on taxes is the dream of the government is something that will not happen. These governments have always tried to do not let neo-reforms pass through the states. This was the only program of Macron, because since the beginning of these last 50 years, they had to change their tactics. The executive is in Emmanuel. This is for Emmanuel Macron the real battle, because these reforms can reduce the the public expenditure very soon. Apparently, everything was going well. The weakening of the world commerce and the massive
sancionan el fracaso del intento de comprar el apoyo a las contrarreformas. Ha vuelto el cara a cara.
The face-to-face is back between the president and the streets. The answer of the Republican government will make no sense.
Porque la mayoría actual no puede abandonar realmente este proyecto. Ganar el enfrentamiento con la calle.
They cannot win all of their claims just by taking the protests to the streets.
De alguna manera su razón de ser política, excepto que esta razón de ser es también la fuente de su debilidad.
Having put all of these elements on the table, all this information, and this part of the context, because we have more, I invite you to make a pause, and you can also interact with us on Jugada Crítica, saying that there's a strike because of the retirement plan. The government says that they have heard the demands and they are close to pronunciate them. Will he give up? Why don't you tell us? Give us your opinion. We'll be right back. Before we go to the analysis and have all of the context, let's do an X-ray of everything that Emmanuel Macron has done. Ever since he took the power, Emmanuel Macron has applied several neoliberal measures and has tried to implement others. This has generated the discontent, almost generalized, of the French people within the working class and also in the middle class and students. Macron has won their first enemies, the railroad workers, because he tried to privatize this. He also wanted to diminish 60 billion of the budget, and in this aspect, there was more than 10 protests and strikes from this area. The president also tried to ask for a merit-based system to go into the university, and what they got is rejection from the students. Macron also tried to put taxes on the retirees. He also he carried on with in the labor field. This included elimination of 120 places in the public sector and limits to the indemnification for letting somebody go, and the possibility that the company negotiate with each worker. To all of these measures, there has been an increase in the diesels and the gas. This led to the appearance of the yellow vests in the streets. The yellow vests have a great, everybody likes them in France, and they maintain themselves on the streets. The initiative also extends to neighboring countries like Belgium, Germany, Italy. Let's begin with the first part of the analysis. From Uruguay, we have Victor Hugo Ferreira. He's an international analyst. We greet him. Juan Raúl, how are you? Hi, I'm very happy to be in your program, as always. Well, I think it's very important, the context of what you've said, the President Macron's, because the conflict of the possibilities cannot be interpreted if it's not in the context of the neoliberal politics that they're trying to reestablish. However, Juan Raúl, haven't you thought it's not easy for Macron to impose this polemic reform on the retirement? The people is already over a year on the streets. Well, what does happen is that there is a trigger element. In this case, it was the retirement pension system. And what they wanted to do is to make all of the 42 systems be one. And of course, they're gonna unify them towards the bottom, not to the top salaries. All of these type of violence, all of this goes against a single service. One of the most important strikes in France in over 30 years has been this. And there have been manifestations that are impressive. On December 3rd, that was called by the CTG, which is the worker union. They moved all over the country, over 100,000 people, according to the official data, and according to the organizers, it was $1.5 million. Even in the official, almost in the official outlet, you can see that it was huge. Just like in Chile, it was the price of the metro what caused all of this. And you might think, is the metro all that important? Well, no. The thing is that people are sick of many things after 10 years of the neoliberalism. Hello? We keep on hearing you. I want to take advantage with this communication to remind you that this has a special symbolism. It's incredible that the train system is the ones who are against. I've been told that we lost our communication. Let's recall what this reform is about. Macron had said that he was going to review.
Hay 42 puntos que el presidente Macron quiere resumir en uno solo, presuntamente para igualar a todo el mundo, ergo beneficiarlo. Bueno, pues esto podría entrar en vigencia a partir de 2025 y ha habido numerosas manifestaciones sociales.
Well, this has brought forward many protests, and it says for the moment we lost the communication with Mr. Ferreira. We have another one. He's a politician from Venezuela.
Muy buenas tardes. Estábamos refiriéndonos
We
a
were
una pregunta que me
speaking-
quedaba colgada con Juan Raúl, pero se la puedo formular a usted. ¿Qué simbolismo encierra
What is the
el hecho
symbolism
de que sea el transporte
that the
ferroviario el que
train
lleve,
system
digamos,
is the
que la
one
delantera en este
who is
paro
taking the
de
forefront
transporte
in this
público?
transportation
¿Qué
problem?
importancia reviste
What is the
esto para la
importance of
sociedad
this for
francesa y
society,
para
for
el
the
mundo
French
entero?
society and for the whole world?
El servicio de transporte es un servicio
Well,
transversal en cualquier país. Lo que
This
quiero
is
resaltar en esa
it's important to
oportunidad,
say that this
Rey,
is transportation
es que
system is very important in
es
any
una- es
country,
la lucha de
and it's
clases.
important to say
La
that the
lucha de
struggle
clase
of
entre
classes
aquellos que
between those
tienen todos los ingresos del país
who
y
have
la
all
masa
of the income
trabajadora que
of the
siempre
country
se ha
and that
visto,
working mass
afectado.
that has always
Y lo que
seen
estamos
itself
viendo hoy en
affected.
Francia
And what we're
no
seeing
es
now in
nuevo.
France
Hay que
isn't new.
recordar
We
lo
have to
que
recall
pasó
what
en
happened
2018,
in 2016
cuando
when
la gente salieron a la
when the
calle
people
a
took to the
protestar,
streets,
cuando chaleco amarillo trancaron el país. ¿Por qué? Porque la clase
And
trabajadora se ha
why
visto
did they do all this?
afectado
Because the
su
working
ingreso.
class has been
No
affected in
solamente
their
ingreso,
income,
y hay que
not only
recordar
their
a la
income,
gente que
but we must
el
recall
gobierno
that
de
the
Macron
people must
tiene
recall
la mayoría
that
de los ministros
the
son
Macron's
multimillonarios. Entonces,
Macron's
son los
government
ricos que siguen
has all of his ministers are rich,
adquisitivo a los más
and they
débiles,
really
a
don't
los
care
más
about the
débiles.
poor people.
Entonces, eso
So this
hay que analizarlo,
is
hay que
important to
verlo muy de
analyze
cerca.
and to see it
Entonces,
very up close.
la protesta
So the
hoy en
protest
Francia
today
es
in
la
France
continuidad
is
de
a
lo que está haciendo los
continuity
chalecos
of the
amarillos.
yellow
Entonces,
of the yellow
una
people
sociedad
of the yellow
francesa
project
que cada día que
in
se ve
France.
que está
So
perdiendo su poder adquisitivo,
a society
no tiene
that each
otro
day is
recurso.
losing their
Bueno, parar de
their
producir, parar de trabajar,
their
los
capacity of
transportes, parar
buying.
en su trabajo. A ver que si esos millonarios, esos ricos que están en el poder,
Let's think of all of those
entiendan la
millionaires that
situación
used to be
de
in
la
the power,
clase
and what we
trabajadora.
want
Es una
them is
clase
to
hay
understand
clases que en los pueblos no tienen otra
the
opción que
people who
echarse
are
a la
not so
calle
fortunate.
a hacerse oír.
Voy a continuar con usted, José, para
Let me go back to you,
desmenuzar, ¿no?
Josué.
Esta reforma jubilatoria,
These reforms
que el gobierno, por cierto, la ha denominado
that
la
the government has said
refundación de las
that is the
jubilaciones.
refounding of
La reforma actual
it. The
va a ponerle
actual
fin a la regla
reform
de evaluación competitiva durante los
will
mejores
put an end
25
to the
años para los
competition
empleados
of
privados y los últimos 6 meses para los
the
funcionarios
last
públicos.
best months.
A partir de la entrada en vigor de la
Ever
reforma
since that
jubilatoria que se
becomes
intenta
the
implementar
law
a
of the
partir de
land
2025,
in
se va a tener en cuenta
2025,
toda la vida
there will
profesional.
be
Eso evidentemente va a repercutir en el bolsillo de los trabajadores.
this
porque,
will
como es
go
lógico,
after
en dependencia
the
de si hubo
pocket of our
ascensos,
workers.
si tuvo etapas de semidespido, el empleado a lo largo de su vida profesional tuvo picos.
And
¿no?
let's not forget that the
Mejores
workers
momentos y
has
peores momentos.
good times and bad
Esos peores
times.
momentos,
The
según
worst
la
times,
propuesta de Macron,
according to the
va a
Macron
influir ahora en su pensión,
policy,
pero
will
además
also
se plantea que
will
la
also
edad
revert to
jubilatoria
itself.
podría abrirse, de modo que o la persona puede desear,
So if the
o la
person
persona o el
would
empleador
want, well,
desear
the worker
continuar
or the
trabajando,
employer
o
could keep on
sencillamente
working,
se
or
puede
they say,
aplicar
okay,
algo que tengo anotado por acá, que es,
let me
a ver
just
si
leave,
lo
let me just,
consigo, alargar su periodo de contribución
what they could do
o
is
crear una
make
edad
their
fundamental para una nueva pensión.
make their
O sea, ¿qué
pension
quiere
plans
decir esto?
longer
Que la
and
persona
pay
podría
privately,
jubilarse
and what this means,
incluso más
and
allá
there's
de los 62 años.
also the possibility of extending the age.
Reyes, hay dos sistemas en pugna. Todas esas frases. son
All of those
frases que
phrases
usan el capitalismo, los países imperialistas
are
para
imperialist countries,
al
and what they're
pueblo,
trying to do is
para engañar
to
a la clase
trick
trabajadora. Habrá
the
que
government.
revisar la forma que Michel Colón lo explica
It's
bien.
important to say
Ellos
how,
nunca
in what
dicen
way
la verdad.
Michel
Ellos
Colomba can
maquillan la
explain the
frase
truth.
y lo venden a la población, lo convencen hasta que el pueblo se dé cuenta que era
And the
un
people
total
will,
engaño.
this will stay there until the
La-
people
esa-
realize
esa
that this was
reforma
all a
de-
hoax.
de la
This
pensión,
reform of the
ley
pensions
de la pensión es otro engaño
is another farce
del gobierno de Macron,
of
Emmanuel Macron, al
Macron's
pueblo,
power.
francés. Gracias a Dios, el pueblo francés se dio cuenta y ya hay movilización en toda la calle, hay protesta, hay paro.
And right now what we have protests and strikes. And I think that in this battle, the people who are French are going to be able to stop them in their tracks. And what we see now is that there is a working class in France that is totally dedicated to their work. And something else we must understand.
En Francia gobierna el capitalismo puro.
And what we have is that in Lima we have President Lima Maduro. What I'm trying to say to the people is that there are two models in dispute, capitalism and socialism. Capitalism, what they're doing in France is they are doing their work. And what they're trying to do is to become rich based on the work of all of the other workers. I think that's and so by the time that there's new elections, we expect that everybody is fully aware of who the candidates are. We know that the neoliberal country has all of the means to communicate. And these super structures that now the university children use. I think this is this doesn't work for when there is next election, so we can know what is the model that we should choose. Right now, let's not forget that the captain loses their capacity of being human. And each day they pass, it becomes even worse. I think that the society, the French society, should have should state an example.
Francia insumisa era una propuesta viable que proponía el socialismo, que proponía mejores condiciones para los trabajadores.
This previous plan gave better conditions for workers.
José,
based on what you just said, I'm reading another article how the workers of France launched a secret to all of them.
Más vigente que nunca y sobre los ejemplos
and on the example that we just mentioned, I would like to see what Juan Carlos Ferreira says now that he's able to reconnect with us. Let's go to the Chile caso. How do you think this will go on? There's more than over again against the neoliberal patron.
Mil disculpas por el corte de comunicación, pero efectivamente estamos viendo en la región algo que se ve reflejado también en todos los países europeos, que es el intento y el esfuerzo notorio de Estados Unidos por restaurar los regímenes neoliberales allí donde...
And let's see how many other elements cost. Just like what happened in Bolivia,
que se produjo con el presidente Lenín Moreno, que fue electo como
if you think that there's more other aspects,
el neoliberalismo se había consolidado, empieza a entrar en crisis por la protesta popular. Esto en Europa,
this in Europe,
como muy bien decía la hija que me precedió, en varios países.
Doesn't only happen. I think we lost him.
Bueno, nos estaba explicando
Juan
Raúl Ferreira cómo
Juan Raúl Ferreira explained
how el ejemplo de la protesta de Francia,
the example of the social protest has expanded in Latin America, where the last places there has been a reconfiguration towards the conservatism. Let me continue speaking with Mr. Tiur. He used to join us from Caracas. You said that there were two systems
triunfalismo y estaba describiendo
on like basically the
cuáles
trial,
son
and you were
los males
describing
que
what is the bad
aquejan a la
parts
sociedad
of
mundial,
that is calling
donde
upon
impera el
the
capitalismo, sobre todo con la aplicación
the
o el
countries where there is
intento de
capitalism,
aplicación
and
de estas
apparently
políticas
where there is a
neoliberales. Pero todo parece
there is a
indicar
problem with the
que el
neoliberal
gobierno
measures.
francés se
Everything
ha
seems
llamado a capítulo en
to
los últimos
indicate
días. Estamos esperando porque el miércoles de,
that
digamos que las
French
claves
Macron
de esta
is
reforma
tied by the
migratoria.
hands.
El pueblo se muestra esperanzado.
The
Sin
people
embargo,
seem
dice,
to be
vamos
hopeful.
a mantener la huelga
However, we
hasta
say
el
we're
martes
going to
porque las
keep
medidas de
the
presión han surtido efecto. ¿Qué podría pasar el
velocity of
miércoles?
this. What
Bueno,
could
el
happen on
pueblo,
Wednesday?
yo creo que el pueblo
I
francés va a
think the
seguir
French people
en su
will
lucha, porque
continue.
hay que cambiar, no es una medida, es el sistema. Hay que cambiar el
I think
sistema.
it is important to
Y
change the
hay
system.
algo muy importante, Reyes, que quiero
I think there is something very
recalcar,
important that I must
que esos
highlight,
países, por
which is
ejemplo,
that today
Francia
there
hace
is
parte de un grupo, unos
a
países
group
supuestamente que son países amigos de Haití. Y hay que recordar las razones por las cuales hubo protestas en
and
Francia.
there were protests
en
over
octubre de
this in
2018. Ellos,
October
antes de aplicar esa
2018.
medida en su país, tengo entendido, yo he percibido que ellos van a hacer muestras en países como Haití.
And I think that all of these
que,
things were just
por
going to be
cierto,
examples
tiene
in
3
Haiti
meses
that has 3
de
months
lucha incesante en las
of
calles.
unsatiable
Porque
fight
ellos,
in the
En
streets.
2018, hay que recordar
It's
cómo
important to
el
say
gobierno de Jovenel Moïse implementó el precio, aumentó el precio de la gasolina.
Oh, so what they're doing is they're increasing the cost of gas. And they're doing this to a country that they're struggling to get any type of funds.
De la gente que tiene capacidad de trabajar, no, son incesantes, no están trabajando. Ellos aplicaron
They applied this model,
el pueblo haitiano como pueblo luchador,
and these people, just like fighters, they took together.
Al gobierno a retornar sobre esa decisión,
and I asked them to return the book
de un lado esa decisión. Entonces,
and to throw out this decision. And in France, in 2018, Emmanuel Macron, who was a representative of the French hair salon,
Lo que va a pasar, va a seguir luchando.
what happened is that they keep on struggling.
Hay lucha en toda parte en ese momento. Eso explica que la crisis del
And what this says is that there's a crisis in capitalism.
El capitalismo llegó a su fin. Entonces, los pueblos ya entienden que
So the people do understand now that capitalism doesn't care. Nobody cares. What they really care is about capitalism.
Ellos subieron el año pasado los precios de la gasolina, del carbono. Entonces, ellos siguiendo recortando la ingreso del pueblo. Entonces, ellos, hay un dicho en mi país.
And there's a saying in my country that says, capitalism always use. It says we have to pluck all the pigeons, all of the feathers of a chicken. However, in capitalism, they really don't care about the suffering of the people.
Uno diría que, bueno, el pueblo haitiano es el pueblo que tiene bastante dificultad, un pueblo empobrecido.
They have a very poor country.
Un pueblo que tiene una guerra, bueno, le está haciendo guerra por su osadía de conquistar su
And what we're doing is that you're very brave to do so.
Entonces, uno puede entender que el pueblo haitiano
So now you can understand why the French people.
Por su dificultad económica. Estamos hablando de Europa, Francia, ese país que arruinó, que saqueó.
And this is the country that sacked my country, Haiti.
Ellos no tienen piedad ni siquiera por su propia población. Es peor aún cuando se trata de otro pueblo. Yo lo que puedo decir, mientras hay lucha en Chile, hay lucha en Haití, hay lucha en Colombia, hay lucha en diversas partes del mundo.
There are many parts in the world where ESSO maintain on the streets until they can maintain their voice up. I think at that moment,
no solamente está pidiendo la renuncia de un presidente, está pidiendo que cambie un cambio en el sistema.
What they're trying to do is to change the system itself, a total change where the people say that there must be a national assembly.
También lo ha propuesto el partido político France Insoumise. Yo creo que
and in this case, I think this would be Insoumise.
El gobierno retorne sobre una echa para atrás una decisión tomada. Simplemente la lucha hoy en día en el mundo debe
Well,
ser
nowadays, the
un cambio
development
total
world
de un
is
sistema de hambriador, un sistema que no hace sino empobrecer a los pueblos.
And what does this protest do? Of course, it's because of the reaction to all of this working model and the force and the forceful.
Para el desarrollo de un pueblo. Yo creo que hoy el mundo se levanta, los pueblos se levantan para cambiar una vez por todas.
What they do is they want to change it once for all, this misery system. They think it's
y también se levantan en las urnas.
And they also stand up in the urns.
José, muchísimas gracias por su participación en nuestra jugada crítica de Telesur.
Let's see if our critical move of
Vamos
Telesur is
entonces a
ready.
avanzar. Ahora haremos un mapeo de esta nueva huelga general de transporte que ya cumple 5 días y a la cual se han
And
sumado otros
this
sectores
protest has
sociales.
also other civic centers.
Francia,
France,
epicentro de protestas
epicenter
sociales.
of
La huelga
popular
masiva en el
protest.
transporte ferroviario en Francia estalló la mañana del pasado jueves 5 y ha marcado el inicio de una ola de protestas contra el gobierno de Emmanuel Macron. Trabajadores ferroviarios, transportistas, profesores, bomberos, estudiantes
all
y
of the
policías
defense
comenzaron a
workers
marchar contra la
began to
gestión del
march
Ejecutivo.
against what
Las
the
marchas
government is
han
saying.
contado con la
The march
participación
has
de
have
más de 800,000 personas,
it
según
had
datos de
people,
la
according
policía.
to the
Sin
police
embargo,
data.
según la CGT,
However,
1,5 millones de
1.6
ciudadanos se
of-
movilizaron en el país. La huelga fue general,
This,
pero en Le Havre y
this was
Marsella
made,
se ha suscitado con mayor
on
fuerza,
general
mientras que en
grounds,
Nantes y París
because in
se
the north,
registraron los primeros altercados violentos. Se extendió a varios sectores y ciudades
this extended
estratégicas
to many
como
places
Lille,
in the world.
Burdeos, Niza y Estrasburgo, donde se redujo el servicio de
And what they
transporte
did was
público
reduce
y esto obligó a
the
los
service
ciudadanos
of
a
the-
desplazarse en medios alternativos.
of
Nuevamente nos vamos a la pausa. Al regreso estaré dialogando con mi invitado a piso.
at the
pero
ban-
antes,
at the
esta, la
when we
jugada
come back,
estratégica para recordársela.
we will be talking
Con
with
paro
our
de transporte y
guests.
manifestaciones de calle, los franceses se mantienen plantados contra la polémica reforma jubilatoria o reforma retraite de Emmanuel Macron. El gobierno dice que ha escuchado las
government
demandas
said that they have
y está
heard the
próximo a
demands.
pronunciarse.
And they are close to
Se verá.
saying something.
Denos
Will
su
this
opinión,
happen? Give us your
participe
opinion.
con nosotros. Al
Participate with
regreso,
us when we're back.
vamos a dialogar
We're going to have a
con un
dialogue with
especialista
a
acá
specialist
en el estudio de
here in the
Telesur.
studio of
Manténgase con
Telesur. Stay with us.
¿Cómo actúa Francia hoy? en
How
la
does France
geopolítica
act
mundial?
in the world
Vamos a hacer un breve
geopolitics?
repaso porque
Let's
también
make a
esto nos hace
quick
falta para
overview
entrar
because
en
this
el
also is necessary to go into the analysis.
Francia y Alemania conforman
France
un
and
poderoso
Germany
tándem dentro de la
have a
Unión
tandem
Europea.
within
Sus
the
buenos
European
vínculos se plasmaron
Union.
a principios
Their
de año
ties
con la
have begun in
firma del Tratado de
1962 with
Cooperación
the
Texas-Gran entre Angela
treatment
Merkel
of
y Emmanuel Macron.
nuclear
El eje
weapons.
franco-alemán busca constituirse como el interlocutor válido para hablar en nombre de todo el subcontinente. Así, ambos gobiernos son los que más impulsan la creación
And this
de
is
una
how the
infraestructura
governments
europea
are
y apuestan
pushing
por una
a
cultura e
European
industrias
government
militares
and
comunes.
have
Los dos
military
países
industries
junto a
are
España
common.
son los que más
The two
representan los
countries,
intereses
along
a
with
favor de la
Spain,
integración europea.
present
Francia está en
the
una fuerte disputa con
models
el resto de naciones de la zona en las que
of
han
how
triunfado
they could
opciones
look. And
nacionalistas,
there have been
muchas
national
de ellas
options,
de
many of
derecha, que
those
rechazan
of
la
the right
integración
wing that
regional. Macron mantiene
despise
fuertes
the
discordias
right
con los
wing
países del
options.
llamado Grupo de Visegrado que propugnan políticas anti-europeístas. El grupo está compuesto por Hungría, Polonia, Eslovaquia
There
y
is a group
República
of
Checa. Respecto al Brexit,
anti-polarists,
Francia ha tenido una postura dura hacia el Reino Unido y se ha mostrado
and they have
disconforme
seemed to
en
be
lo que se refiere a la
disconformed when it
prolongación de
comes
los
to
plazos pedidos por Theresa May en
prolongating
su momento y hoy
with
por Boris Johnson. Allende los mares, la administración de Macron últimamente ha tenido fricciones con Estados Unidos. Donald Trump rechazó categóricamente la posibilidad
Donald Trump
de que
said
la
that he
Unión
didn't
Europea
agree with
constituya un
the fact that
ejército propio.
United,
Incluso señaló
that
que
the
la
European
propuesta
Union
francesa
could be a
solo
single
buscaba
army.
distraer la
And he
atención
said
para
that the
que no se
French
viera la
government
profunda crisis que
only
vive ese
has
país. El inquilino de la Casa
has
Blanca y
a-
el jefe del Elicio también
a
tienen
direct
fuertes
access.
diferencias respecto
Both
a
of
la
these
agenda
presidents
del
have a
cambio
different
climático a escala
thought
global. Sin
of,
embargo, mantienen una
of
fuerte
the climate
alianza en su
change.
política agresiva hacia el norte de África y en apoyar a
However,
grupos
both of them
terroristas en
are
Oriente Medio.
supporting terrorist groups and other type of
Eso hay que
sorts.
meterlo en este análisis, me dice el profesor Ernesto Wong Maestre, politólogo, también analista internacional, profesor universitario, nos acompaña en esta
Let's see our
ocasión.
next
Profesor,
guest.
estábamos observando
We're going to be speaking today with Professor Wong. Let's see what is this going on. Let's go a bit further from with the frontier.
Este país europeo ha influido en el resto de las naciones, no solo de Europa. Veamos ya, por ejemplo, en los últimos
Let's see the recent images, the so-called relationship between Macron and images. Thank you, Ray, for your invitation. I think the contradictions are undeniable.
Con Estados Unidos como contradicciones interimperialistas. Porque Francia es un imperio.
Because France could be an empire.
Mantiene muchas propiedades en África.
Let's not forget that these people still have lots of territory outside France. These are small islands in the Caribbean, small islands everywhere.
Una gran dominación y ahí entran parte de las contradicciones que tienen con Estados Unidos, con el gobierno de Trump.
And we don't go to the United States because of all of the problems with Trump.
Hasta Reagan, porque la doctrina neoconservadora de Estados Unidos choca con aliados y no aliados. Y contra los aliados tienen unas estrategias y contra los
and both sides have strategies.
Hacia el socialismo tienen otras estrategias, como hemos visto en América
As we've seen in Latin America with the governments of the right. In France, they still have this idea of controlled chaos.
Facilitarle a toda esta ebullición social ciertas condiciones para que lleven hasta
and this could be done to have subcommissions.
Torcerle el brazo a Macron.
Que es justamente lo que está pasando hoy en las calles de Francia.
Hay influencia
and there is some influence of the sectors that are aligned with the United States and that always want to cut this alliance between France and Russia.
Todo eso tiene que ver también con estas reuniones que se están haciendo para jugar un papel con respecto
and all of
a
this because of Ukraine. Ukraine, as we know,
los representantes del cuarteto de Normandía, con participación de Macron, Putin, Vladimir Zelensky de Ucrania.
All of these dialogues are ongoing between several leaders of the European Union, and these meetings that are held independently from the U.S. The U.S. is not in the table. However, the U.S. is part of the Ukrainian conflict, especially because they were on side of Kiev. Bear in mind that the Minsk Accord, there is an evident contradiction with the U.S. Interests, because they could have judged them. However, the people that are close don't want the war to become even longer.
Allí no se puede aplicar la violencia y la fuerza porque vamos a participar. Y si quieren llevar a cabo una presencia de la OTAN
and if they want some presence in NATO, then we're going to have to take
Además, ya Rusia tiene una carta a su favor,
some magic.
y es el haber recuperado a Crimea.
Eso implicaría, sí,
let's not forget that we owe it to one of the parties.
Sino que se negocie lo que está pasando.
It's important to negotiate what's going on.
Pero en Francia,
but in France,
está influyendo eso,
there is some influence
and
the presence in Africa.
Su permanencia con tropas en Mali. Y esto hace
and
que
this
el control de Francia sobre
the
las
control
grandes
of France
riquezas
on the great
de la zona africana, que la cual han estado interesados mucho los Estados Unidos,
on which the United States is very much interested.
Pues, hayan choques ahí de intereses, ¿no?
And there are some interests on both parties in this sense. So it's important to recall
que el propio ideólogo de Estados Unidos reconocía que había que actuar con Francia de distintas formas, pero eso está pasando
in different places, and this happens in a certain way with Germany. Germany has a lot of fights with the United States. Let's not forget everything that Angela Merkel said about the spies.
De cierta forma mermando, pero también incorporándose. Entonces, Francia está envuelta
so
en
France
eso
is involved in all of
que está
this.
ocurriendo hoy y que choca, como bien se ha hecho el diagnóstico por parte de los participantes.
And just like the participants have
muchos datos relacionados
which I found very interesting because of all of the data that has been exposed, that this is a topic that affects people from all of Europe and Latin America. So the Paris problems are just part of a puzzle against all of them. And how do the neighbors see France with what's going on in France? Aren't they afraid that these protests, that the yellow vest movement has spread?
Sí, hay bastante, yo dijera que respuestas, vinculaciones.
And there are a lot of answers.
Muchos de estos países,
but there are many countries that are very small. Some of these countries value more the demands.
Cuando dice que tienden a valorarla mejor, es que a nivel gobierno se trazan políticas.
Tienen todavía, son poblaciones más pequeñas, tienen todavía.
Some of these countries are small, and they have inherent power in many places of the world.
Como es tan pequeño, les reporta más, ¿no? Creo que toda la situación se liga con lo de España también.
And what is happening in Spain? Let's analyze what happens in Spain. For example, we see how Rajoy was something like what Macron did. He offered a lot, and when it was time to do something, he did nothing. So we're in a digital era where the lies are always counteracted with the cyberspace, they're worried because of all of the things that are happening behind this front. So if France is one of the 7 countries that is of a huge power, how can they restructure their retirement plans? So what happens is that they don't want they want more money, and therefore they're willing to put more taxes on people. There are experts that what is happening here is the fact that President Macron had other things and that's why this is what we saw, the insubmissive France. That was led by this great man that France has. Well, this shows that there is a whole mass that is not understanding the thing well. And I've done it for Chile too, where all of the generations get together. Why don't we get together and we can share all these ideas of change? Because in the 60s we knew there is a generation.
And de la negación como que se está poniendo en cuestionamiento hoy por hoy, ¿no?
Sí y no, ¿no? Hay que ver.
It's important to see.
La dialéctica tiene una gran fuerza en la.
It's incredible to see how the words have all of this power on people.
No niega tampoco los cambios y las transformaciones, y como la vida es tan rápida, a veces que las transformaciones son más rápidas.
Sometimes transformations are so fast that they go even faster than life itself. So this makes things that.
Hechos a veces que no esperado,
and sometimes things that were unexpected may even happen.
Que es donde surgen muchas casualidades de pronto, se coinciden, ¿no? En esos procesos de relación.
And everything comes together in these consolidation programs. The United States might even try to join together with the U.S., but they can't take them to their extreme of
los chalecos amarillos que se ha radicalizado, incluso ya se habla de un movimiento de chalecos rojos con todo el simbolismo que esto encierra. no ha logrado Estados Unidos doblegar a Macron.
Of course, there are some things that are interesting, but let's not forget that their great movements are behind these.
Como el símbolo de la globalización, antitético al caso Trump.
And this is not popular with the Trump president.
Sí, hay contradicciones con Inglaterra, por ejemplo, en esto del Brexit. Y Francia es uno de los primeros que ha dicho,
and yes, there is some differences with the Brexit.
Separarse de Inglaterra, porque hay una lucha intercapitalista fuerte, una lucha en la cual Macron,
one of the positions with Macron and Merkel and some other countries are joining.
No es casual tampoco.
Well, this is not by mistake. This is not by coincidence that everything that's going in NATO has something to do with this. Because if you look, because they are in a situation that is awful. They lost in a. They have in our
miembros de la OTAN tienen que pagar. Tienen que pagar para mantener vivo esto.
Eso es lo que es la doctrina neoconservadora de Estados Unidos dice que hay que compensar.
It's important to say that we should compensate some of the workers and the allies.
Son contradicciones que hay que unirlas, reunirlas, porque está el aspecto geopolítico, como bien se señalaba al principio,
and
pero
as I
también
told you
está
at
el
the
aspecto
beginning,
social, la
the
ingeniería
neoliberalism
social que a
progress
veces quiere
is
llevar
trying
a
to
cabo
attack this
Estados
country.
Unidos, porque esto puede ser también interesante para Estados Unidos hacer una reingeniería o ingeniería social, como le llaman ellos, los neoconservadores, y cambiar esa figura.
And on the other hand, it's important to change
cambiar eso. ¿Por qué?
this
Porque
figure,
también China
because China
está teniendo con Francia una gran
also has with France
relación.
a great
Francia,
relationship.
por ejemplo, participa en la franja y la ruta con China. Es decir, hay un conjunto de contradicciones,
there is a whole
elementos
group
que
of
hacen
stuff.
que crezcan mucho las tensiones con Estados Unidos, disminuyan con China.
And we expect them to diminish with China because these are tensions that aim at the power that could be useful for both of you.
Sería descabellado pensar que también estas tensiones crecientes con Estados Unidos, particularmente con Donald Trump, se debe a que,
and especially with Donald Trump, it's important that the French citizens should know that President Trump, they know that France may not be re-elected.
El impeachment que le quieren aplicar ha ido aumentando. Ayer Los Angeles Times, un gran
Yesterday, Los Angeles Times, a great U.S. newspaper, we say great because of the quality and the reach it has, says
un editorial, ¿no? Que había que avanzar con el impeachment. Porque
todo esto
and all of this happened in the pre-electoral phase.
Que tiene también otros elementos a jugar allí con Pence, con Bolton.
Well, if we think of all of the people who are thinking of all of this,
una candidatura republicana, pero
lo cierto es que Trump la tiene difícil.
Bueno, fíjate que
so why don't we pay attention?
Que la segunda en Twitter en Estados Unidos es Alexandria Ocasio-Cortez, la joven senadora.
It's incredible to see that she's a young person.
Tiene casi ya 6 millones de tuiteros, de seguidores, ¿no? Y está haciendo una labor.
And what they're doing is a 24-hour operation.
La política de Trump, sobre todo el clima, las políticas sociales en las cuales.
And there are social and political answers. I think the United States is now going through a time of change.
O por lo menos cambiar a Trump.
Or at least change Trump.
Porque incluso no las tiene todas Donald Trump con su propio partido, con el Partido Republicano.
And of course, he will answer to his own political view. We're going to see it in Senate and in the House of Representatives.
Va a decir la última palabra
en la Cámara de Representantes, que es mayoría de los demócratas, pero el modelo, la idea que tiene.
But let's look at the model. I think they're basically the same.
De Trump va a tratar de que comprar entre los demócratas que no saque una candidatura.
It's important to see that there is not a single candidacy that is so strong. So here are the problems that I told you a minute ago that maybe
eleva el nivel de conciencia de
some
la
of the
población,
conscious level of the
producto de
people
esta era
is
digital,
increasing.
y se les puede ir de la mano y sacar a un demócrata que, por cierto,
And
los demócratas de izquierda son los que están ganando las encuestas.
it's incredible to see that the
casi en las mayores
Democrats
ciudades de Estados
are
Unidos.
winning in the major cities of the
Es un
U.S.
tema que tenemos, digamos que plantear en nuestra agenda permanente.
And we do have to write this event written down. He's invented. He knows.
Cruzamos el charco, como se dice
Okay, let's
popularmente acá en
go.
América nuestra. De Francia saltamos
Let's go
hacia
to
Estados
France
Unidos,
and let's
pero
go to
todo
the
vale
States.
cuando de geopolítica se trata. Muchísimas gracias, profesor. Vamos a las conclusiones. Una Francia insumisa
An
contra la
insubmissive
reforma
France
jubilatoria de
against the
Macron. La lucha ha
retirement
sido
plans
larga,
by
pero
Macron.
constante.
The fight has
El
been
célebre
long and
movimiento de
constant.
chalecos
The
amarillos
very
surgidos
famous
hace más de un
yellow
año ha
vests
transitado por
has
pequeñas
appeared
grandes
once again.
victorias, como su firme rechazo a lo que denominaron como simulacro al debate nacional propuesto
And
por el
everything they
presidente.
said that there was
Hoy
just going to
gozan
be a
del
debate,
apoyo de
a
dos
friendly
terceras
debate.
partes de los
Now they have
franceses, sobre todo
two-thirds of the
porque en los
support of the
últimos
French,
tiempos ha
because
mostrado
in the
una
last
postura
times
más a la izquierda
they
con el
have showed
llamado
a
de la
bigger
convergencia y la coagulación
a
de
bigger
las luchas
friendship
sociales
towards the
en el
right.
contexto de la ecología y el rechazo de la reforma de pensiones. Una especie de gilet rouge
I
o
was to
chalecos
pick
rojos que dirá el gobierno
red
este miércoles
type of
cederá a las demandas de la clase
uniform.
trabajadora.
What will President Macron do?
Amanecerá y veremos.
Will he
Cerramos el
give
tablero
in to the
geopolítico
demands
por
of the workers or not? This is all for today. Thank you very much.